We are just starting our cooking class with a glass of Prosecco. Yay! Look at this beautiful place. Cooking classes are such a great icebreaker as we get to know each other on our tour. Look at this. This is beautiful. We are in Zurich, Switzerland at Estia. Yeah. Fun.
Yeah, all of them. Beth, where are you, Beth? You can come here. Here, do you see this zucchini? The glass, you can put it over there. Otherwise, you have problem with the glasses. Yeah. And we want here some nice, what cubes? Something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Do it with love. All of them. Maybe all of them. So he's going to take over the meat over there. So we're going to put the meat first here with the leek. Let's place the leek in a bowl. Exactly.
It smells so good already.
You will take something to do that. Yeah.
Whoopsie, we're cooking there. You're fine.
What do you do with him?
Some salt in those other seeds. Some. It's coming to you, yeah. We're going to make the tablets.
Oh, and I still have another batch to do.
Another batch to do. Yeah.
Maybe just leave it a little bit. Like maybe.
For 30 minutes. Yeah.
Beautiful.